Good day. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
May I know your name, please?
My name is Lina Entavios, 45 years old, and youngest in the family with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education, Mathematics major. I am a married woman with God bless with 4 children, all boys.
Okay, do you have any experience working as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have experience here in the Philippines and abroad. Here in the Philippines, I got 3 years experience working here as a domestic helper.
So how many members of the family you serve?
There are 4 persons I serve here in the Philippines, 2 adults and 2 children.
Okay, how about in abroad?
And abroad, 4 persons again with 2 adults and 2 children, ages 9 years old and 4 years old.
Okay, may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties in working as a domestic helper are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, cleaning all the windows, the walls, and cooking, preparing all the order dinners or breakfast.
That's good. May we know your working time abroad?
My working time abroad, I start working at 6 a.m. preparing their food, preparing the children to go to schools, and then after cleaning the house, I prepare also for lunchtime, and then clean again. After lunch, I go back to work again for cleaning all the house and take care of the children.
Okay. Since you are ex-abroad, right? You've been working in abroad for a years. Why do you choose to go back in Hong Kong?
I choose to go back in Hong Kong for another work because I want to earn more money to support my children for their education.
Okay, how do you handle if you committed a mistake to your employer and your employer scolds you? What will you do?
In case that my employer that I commit a sin or a mistake, I ask them sorry or ask them apologize.
Okay, that's the best thing to do. Okay, when it comes to child care, what is the most important thing in taking care of the children?
In taking care of the children, I give love to them, give my support for their studies or tutoring their lessons, and
did you give them a nutritious food?
yes, I give them a nutritious food for their lunch, breakfast, and dinner time.
And did you assist them in taking a bath?
Yes, of course. I have to assess their taking a bath day to day.
Okay, did you give them much time to play and tutor them?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So, how will you assist the child or children when crossing the street?
In crossing the street, I have assessed them by holding their hands tightly and accompanying them and guiding them to cross the road.
Okay, what if that child doesn't like to eat the food? How will you manage them?
If in case the child did not eat their food or did not finish their food, I have to encourage them that they are going to have a stomach ache if they did not eat their food.
Okay, how will you motivate the children to eat their food?
I tell them, if you did not eat their food, maybe you are hungry or no food at all. So you must eat your food or you finish your food.
Okay, that's good. So, can you offer a tutorial to the children?
Yes, I can offer a tutorial to the children.
Okay, can you show us how?
In tutoring the children, I have here some pictures to look up, to see to the children. Like these pictures in different kind of pictures are using to traveling. Here is an helicopter, a van, and the ship. The ship, we are using the ship by traveling. We use a ship or we see the ship and the water and the sea or and the oceans. While the helicopter we see it on the top of the skies. And the van, we almost see the van crossing the street. Now children, can you identify the kind of ships we are using and traveling? Like the ships using in the sea or oceans, and the helicopter by traveling up in the skies, and the van on the land. So the other is, we come now to the mathematics. Now children, you listen to me. You see, you look on the charts I have sent to you. Let us answer this addition. So listen children, we have to see if the answer is right or wrong. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, right children? The answer is the answer is correct. 9 is the answer of this 3 plus 6. Very good. Okay, let us go to another 2 plus 2. What is the answer children? 2 plus 2. Okay, very good. You know already what is the answer of 2 plus 2. How about 5 plus 8? 5 plus 8 is 13. Very good. So let us come now to the reading. I will show you, or I will read it to you, the story of Ugly Duckling. Okay, you have to listen to me. I will read it to you. Okay, children, listen. The story of Ugly Duckling. This is the book of Ugly Duckling. Now I start reading the Ugly Duckling. After I read the story of the Ugly Duckling, you may answer to the questions if you can follow me or you can understand my story. Okay. Once upon a time, a mother duck sat patiently on her 4 newly laid eggs. She kept the eggs warm until it was time for them to hatch. Finally, one egg cracked open and cracked out. That came a fluffy yellow duckling. Then 2 more eggs hatched. Now, there were 3 fluffy yellow ducklings. There was one rather large egg left. At last, this large egg cracked open and came a very large and gray duckling. Goodness me, said the mother duck. You are not like the other duckling. You are so big and so very ugly. Now children, I will show you where the ugly duckling is. This is the gray ugly duckling. So you can identify where the big and ugly duckling. While the 3 little ducks, these are the 3 little ducks, the yellow little ducks, are different from the big ugly duckling. So you can tell me or you can identify now where the big and ugly duckling is.
Okay, thank you for that nice story.
Thank you.
Okay. So when it comes to baby care, what if you find out the baby has a fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I say the temperature of the child, if it is okay or if it is not okay. That's the time I call my employer's assistants for what to do to the children.
Okay. For the last question, what are your advantages of your future employer if they will hire you?
The advantages I gave to them is I promise to do my best to follow all the rules and regulations that they are given to me, and I hope that they hired me, or I will give it all my best to them.
Okay, are you promised to follow their instructions?
Yes, I follow all the instructions that they are given to me.
Okay. Are you willing to learn some of their cultures?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you promised, or did you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, that's good. And hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you very much, ma'am. Can you show us your best smile before we end?